A huge battery, smooth display, and a budget-friendly price. Vivo has just launched the Y300i, and it's packing some serious power. With a massive 6,500 mAh battery, a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chip, and up to 512 GB of storage, this phone is built for all-day use. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down. Biggest battery in Vivo's lineup. Well, battery life is one of the biggest concerns for smartphone users, and the Y300i delivers. With a 6,500 mAh battery, you can expect long hours of use without constantly reaching for a charger. When you do need to top up, the 44W fast charging ensures you're back in action quickly. Smooth display, decent performance. The 6.68-inch LCD may not be AMOLED, but it still offers a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling in gaming. Powering everything is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, paired with 8GB or 12GB RAM and 256GB or 512GB storage. For a budget phone, that's plenty of space and power for daily tasks. Cameras. On the back, you get a 50MP main camera with an f/1.8 aperture, which should perform decently in good lighting. The 5MP selfie camera, however, might not impress selfie lovers. It's fine for basic shots, but don't expect flagship-level quality. Software features. The phone ships with Android 15, but since it's launching in China, it comes with Origin OS instead of FunTouch OS. If you're outside China, you might need to wait for a global version. Colors. Pricing. The Vivo Y300i comes in black, titanium, and blue, with a starting price of 1,499 Chinese yuan, $205. That's a solid deal for a phone with this battery, storage, and refresh rate. So, is the Vivo Y300i worth buying? If you need a phone with a huge battery, smooth display, and decent performance for everyday use, it's a great option at this price. However, if camera quality is your priority, you might want to look elsewhere. Would you buy the Y300i, or do you think Vivo could have done better? Let me know in the comments.